In 2025, the military world was once again buzzing with Russia's latest achievement. After months of speculation and anticipation, Russia finally launched its next-generation Uragan rocket system, drawing global attention. What makes this latest development worth showcasing? Has this system, long known in the military world, really been as effective as it has been touted? Rocket launchers, like the MLRS, have been seen as tools capable of changing the dynamics of battle, as demonstrated in Ukraine. Why is that? If we start with logistics, the crucial role of signalers with technical skills to ensure and maintain communication between troops, as well as a commander's ability to read the situation and position their forces effectively, all of this can lead to battle outcomes that align with expectations. And that's what Russia has achieved with the precise use of its weapons. So, the success of a battle is not only due to the weapons, despite what Western media often glorify about NATO's weapons. Amidst all of this, let's focus on Russia's multiple rocket launcher system, which may offer a different perspective. Keep your eyes on the story. In a recent report published by the Russian news agency TASS, an intriguing picture emerged regarding the improved capabilities of the BM-27 Uragan multiple launch rocket system. The report revealed that the 52nd Airborne Artillery Brigade of the Russian Airborne Forces, renowned for their high expertise, deployed the latest version of the Uragan from the Kursk border region. This deployment marks a significant step forward in the evolution of one of the weapons that has long been a part of Russia's defense line. In this latest version, the Uragan has undergone significant improvements, especially in terms of mobility and durability. The major upgrade is the replacement of the old ZIL-135 chassis with the more modern BAZ-69092 platform. This new chassis not only enhances speed and deployment efficiency, but also allows the rocket launcher system to move more agilely and quickly after launching its rockets. With a larger payload capacity and better maneuverability compared to its predecessor, the BAZ-69092 takes the Uragan to a higher level in terms of performance and endurance. However, the improvements are not limited to just technical and mobility aspects. The modernized Uragan also received additional layers of stronger protection and more advanced preventive measures. The launcher system and crew cabin are now equipped with extra shielding to protect against increasingly sophisticated threats. One of the biggest threats faced by this system is attacks from unmanned aerial vehicles, which are frequently used by Ukrainian forces. With the addition of this protection, the Uragan is now better prepared to face potential drone strikes, which have become a key tool in modern combat tactics. However, while these preventive measures are clearly a response to the growing threat, the issue of armed drones remains a challenging problem for many nations. Various companies are working to develop technologies to counter these drone threats, but practical and effective solutions are still difficult to achieve. In this context, Russia remains determined to demonstrate that they are capable of neutralizing the threat posed by Ukraine's UAVs. And they have already proven much with their enhanced military weaponry. Since the late 1970s, the Uragan MLRS has become one of the main pillars of Russia's artillery-based firepower strategy. Known for its exceptional capabilities, this rocket launcher system is specifically designed to launch 220mm rockets equipped with high-explosive warheads, incendiaries, and cluster munitions. Its primary target is vast areas, a bombing concept that is highly effective in creating destruction in enemy territories. With a range of up to 35 kilometers, the Uragan can fire its rockets over long distances, adding fear and devastation to enemy defense lines. In various combat episodes, the Uragan MLRS has made several game-changing impacts. One of these occurred when Russian forces managed to disrupt the rotation of Ukrainian armed forces units, while also destroying the accumulation of armored vehicles in the Special Operations Zone. This success was made possible by the full combat readiness always maintained by the Uragan crew. They are aware that the moment of battle can come at any time, so they are always on standby, ready for orders that can come without warning. Once the order is given, the Uragan crew immediately leaves their shelter, moving in a trained and organized manner. In a matter of seconds, their combat vehicles are ready to fire rockets, and immediately after, they return to an alternative position to avoid potential enemy counterattacks. This tactic has become one of the key elements in their strategy, allowing them to remain effective while staying safe. Behind the scenes, the unmanned aerial vehicle crew also plays a vital role. They act as airborne scouts, revealing enemy positions, especially the locations of armored vehicles and fighter aircraft. With accurate information, they send the target coordinates directly to the artillery command post. Once the coordinates are received, the Uragan crew quickly moves to the operational area, takes up a strategic firing position, and prepares to launch a devastating strike. The losses suffered by Ukrainian forces in this battle were significant. According to reports from the Izvestia platform, Russian artillery forces used fragmentation penetrator munitions, which were highly effective in damaging defensive fortifications, destroying buried bunkers, and obliterating enemy armored vehicles. The success of this ammunition ensured that every strike not only hit its target, but also had an extraordinary impact on the enemy's combat strength, destroying not only their equipment, but also their morale. It was not only in Kursk that the Uragan proved itself, but also around Dnipro and Krasnoarmeysk recently in 2025. Everything they had worked to defend is now nothing but rubble. The atmosphere there is so bleak, as if even the last hope has been buried along with the debris. The success of the Uragan on the battlefield has had a significant impact. Every rocket launched makes it an increasingly ferocious weapon. Leave your thoughts about the new BM-27 Uragan, and thanks for watching.